So we've got 2 banks of 19 solar panels, totaling about 12 kilowatts. And at the time it was installed, I think we had 11.4 kilowatts of battery installed, and it was just purely to counteract the rise in electric costs, which hadn't happened when we installed them, but I kind of knew they were going to happen, so it was a preemptive measure. Definitely. Well, in the first year, I think it was probably around about 48% of our electric was supplied by the solar system. The second year, I think it was 55 or 56. And we're hoping to take that over 60 because we've had another battery installed as well. We do, and with it being the winter now, we've actually set the batteries to force charge overnight. So about, 12:30, 1 o'clock in the morning, the mains force charges the batteries. So on a day like it is now, where it's really dull and wet, we've still got electric at a cheaper rate to use during the day from the batteries. It's definitely been a good investment. It hasn't paid for itself yet because it's only been in 3 years, but it very soon will. It was great, yeah. All the lads who came out to fit the batteries and all the cabling and everything, they were very, well, they were always on time. They turned up day after day and they just started the job, progressed, and then they finished the job, and they were all very pleasant.